Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here with Pete. He's the owner of this beautiful 1933 Vicky. How are we doing today, Pete?
I'm doing very well, thank you, Michael. How are you?
What a pretty car, bro. So what do we got under the hood? 383?
383 with dual quad setup,
Okay.
tunnel ram.
Nice.
Makes approximately 500 plus horsepower.
Okay.
3-speed, turbo 350 with a mild converter.
Okay.
Ford 9-inch posi with 373, so you can drive it on the street and not worry about it.
Beautiful.
Front and rear disc brakes, coilovers in all four corners.
Okay.
Custom Boyd wheels.
Yeah.
House of Colors paint.
This paint is unbelievable.
It's immaculate. I mean, and something very rare. It's got steel front fenders as well as running boards.
Okay. And the hood is steel, sides are steel, I think?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
The paint is a beautiful custom House of Colors.
Okay.
The car took multi first place winners in show.
I have all those trophies on the website. You can see those.
Yes.
They just go on forever and ever and ever.
Vehicle has between $150,000 to $200,000 spent in it. 4-link suspension. The beauty of this car, Michael, is that the undercarriage of this vehicle is as beautiful as the appearance on the outer body of the car.
It is gorgeous.
It really is. You have tilt wheel, air conditioning, all low car components. I mean, no expense was spared on this thing, as
windows,
you can see.
right?
Yeah. I mean, it's immaculate, you know. And the beauty of this thing is you can drive it. You know, you can actually drive this thing. It's got a back seat. It doesn't overheat. It runs very cool. I hate to get rid of it, but I just have too many cars in the collection. It's got to go.
Wow, it's gorgeous.
That's it.
5,900 miles on the bill,
That's
looks like.
correct. Yes.
Super high-end gauges. Love the billet wheel. Looks like I did it steering column.
Yep. I mean, it's all there.
It really is. Overhead stereo. The beautiful console. It's all made out of billet.
Thank you.
What a cool car, bro. Let's pop the hood.
Okay. Do your thing. There we go.
383 stroker, dual quads.
Dual quads, yep, with a low rise manifold tunnel ram. Yep.
Really nice setup.
Serpentine belt setup with the air conditioning on the other side.
Aluminum radiator, electric fan, nice big electric fan.
Yeah, the thing runs cool. You don't have to worry about driving it and hitting traffic or something like that.
Really cool.
Yeah.
Very cool. Let's fire it up.
All right. You want me to fire it up with the...
Yeah, shut the hood.
All right.
Yeah, let's go together. Yeah.
I ain't worried about it.
Man, this thing sounds nice.
Feels very, very well. All right.
Cool, let's do it.
Let's go. As you see, the RPM gauge works, temperature gauge works, oil pressure gauge works, battery gauge works, fuel filter gauge. Everything works in the car. That's the biggest thing with this thing. You know, it's a versatile car and you can drive it back road, I think.
Comfortable too, huh?
Oh yeah, no, it drives. I mean, it was built to drive. You know?
Plenty of room too.
Yeah.
Nice.
Somebody else's loss is always somebody else's gain.
Isn't it always?
Yep. Drainage is beautifully, as you see.
Yeah, really nice.
Speedometer is dead on. And it's very comfortable. You hit a bump, you're not scraping the bottom. I mean,
Yeah.
the car is no expense was spared. This is a $200,000 supercar. Is really what
It really
it
is. It's got a posi rear?
Posi rear, absolutely, with 373 gear ratio,
Okay.
non-spool, but it's got all Richmond gearing in it. They're hardened gears. They're made to drive.
Yeah.
But you don't have any problems with, you know, with making turns and stuff like that. It's a daily driving car.
Really nice. Sounds like it's got a gear drive too.
It does have a gear drive, absolutely. Gives a nice little pitch for the old
It does. It does. Got a nice sound to it.
A lot of pickup, a lot of pep.
Disc brakes, right?
Yeah, four-wheel disc brakes all the way around.
Power disc brakes.
Absolutely.
The master's underneath the chassis. It's nice.
Yes,
and hidden.
correct, as well as the battery.
Mm-hmm.
Car is actually no draw at all. Yep. Michael, as you can see, we're driving at a low speed in somewhat of traffic. See the temperature gauge?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't
Right
move.
at
It's
180.
190, 180, right around there. The car runs cool. That's the biggest thing with these things.
It is, it
They
really
can look
is.
beautiful and not be able to drive, but you can drive it.
Yeah, who wants to sit there and look at it?
Absolutely.
It's a nice touring car, you know?
Oh, listen, this thing has been in many events, you know, fundraising events for the police department, very influential people, churches and schools and stuff, parades. It's a multi first place winning car.
Really?
And honestly, for that price today, I don't even want to say it on the video, but whoever gets this car for that price is absolutely
Very
stealing
happy,
it.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I guess we'll take a left here. You want to just...
Yeah, sure.
All right. As you see, the single lights work.
Those are LED.
LED single lights, you know. Tranny's just beautifully. Oh yeah, no, it's phenomenal. I mean, it really is. It's phenomenal.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a buzz. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.